children.
Hello, dear children. Today we're going to talk about something very interesting, namely software testing. It is very important that the programs we use on our computers or phones work correctly and without errors. Software testing is checking whether everything works as it should. Now, let us take a walk in our park where I met some little animals discussing this topic. By a big tree, I noticed a ladybug and a sparrow who were eagerly analyzing something in their notebook. The ladybug suggested creating a new toy at the playground, but the sparrow said that before starting, they needed to test if it was safe. The ladybug, a bit confused, replied that everything looked solid. On the contrary, I explained to them that testing is not just about what is visible, but also about what might happen in different situations. The sparrow quickly added that they could check what would happen if someone tripped. I confirmed that this was a good way of thinking, because testing is about predicting various possibilities. At the playground, I saw a frog and a guinea pig talking about their phones. The frog complained that the new jumping application sometimes freezes. The guinea pig explained that this was because the program had not been tested properly. The frog asked how to do that. The guinea pig gave an example. Imagine giving this application to everyone at the playground and asking what works and what does not. I nodded, adding that testing requires checking different possibilities and carefully listening to others' opinions. By the pond, a kitten and a bee were discussing their experiences with testing. The kitten noted that checking security on a computer is also testing, and the bee added that in her job, every change in the program must be carefully checked. I asked them, "What would you test if you had to check if the bridge over the pond is safe?" The kitten replied that they would need to check if no one could damage it, while the bee suggested testing if it could be crossed in any weather. Both answers were good and creative. Dear children, today we learned that software testing is not only about checking if something works, but also about predicting what might happen in different situations. Our little heroes showed that it is important to be attentive and thorough to avoid surprises. I hope you will also take care to ensure that everything works well. See you at our next meeting.